Hello everyone, so today I will show you how to withdraw the Doge coin to the Binance wallet. In here I am mining in this platform. This is DogeBoost.pro and this is my balance. So I will withdraw 13 coins to the Binance wallet. To do that you can click on withdraw, or if you want to get more, you want to collect more to your balance, you can click on here, click in here, and then the balance will drop down in balance here. Yes, and to withdraw all this coin to the Binance wallet, you click on the withdraw, and then yes, I want to withdraw all to my wallet. I click on request and then okay. Yes, in here this is the pending date and time, and this is the amount of withdrawal, and it takes time, yes, about half or 1 hour. It's up to, yes, the release from this platform. And this is the history that I successfully withdraw to my Binance wallet. And you go to the Binance, and in here in my Doge coin I have only 14.51 coins only. And you can change your wallet address also. You click on here and account to see your wallet address, and scroll down you will see in here this is my address. And if you want to change to another address in your Binance, you can scroll down and you can change, paste your new address in here. Let's see in my wallet, yeah, in my Binance, in my Doge, I click on here and I click on deposit to see my Doge address. Okay, and the network I click on Doge, and this is my address. And if you want to change, you can copy and go to paste in the new address here also. See, this is my address. We can compare. This is the free letter, and we can see in here, yes, it is my address. So when I withdraw vol, click on the withdrawal, it will go to my address, my dot in here. Yeah, and go back to the withdrawal. You can withdraw the minimum 5 Doge, and with the fee 0.50 Doge. This is the fee, yeah. And after we waiting about 20 minutes, now the coin is released and it is approved. And let's check in the Binance, and I click on the Binance, and you can see now the number of coin is increased, and we can see the detail. Click on the detail here and see this is the history, and this coin is just right at the moment. Yes, this is the date and time. Yeah. And I will put the link in the description, and you can create the DogeBoost with my link in the description. And if you have any question or any not clear, you can comment and I will answer and reply to you. Yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day.